Students, in the previous lecture we have seen some examples on Heron's formula, and in this lecture we are going to see the next example. That is, your next example is Radha made a picture. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure. Find the total area of the paper used. Find the total area. Then see the diagram. Means in this diagram, this is the triangle. This is your first region. This is rectangle. This is your second region. And this is your trapezium. Then this is your third region. Here triangle is present, the fourth, and here you will suppose fifth region. Then find the total area. Then you will first find area of first region. Area of first region. Then in area of first region means only this part. Only this part. Again draw the diagram. This is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, and this is 1 centimeter. This is the area of one region. Then we have here A equal to 5 centimeter, B equal to 5 centimeter, and C equal to 1 centimeter. Then here you will write the semi-perimeter formula, that is A is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Then put the values A, B and C. Then what is A value? 5. What is B value? 5. What is C value? 1 divided by 2. That is 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Then 11 by 2. And this is your S. And what is its unit? Unit is centimeter. Then next step is what? By using Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula, area of first region equal to area of first region equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then what is your S? S is 11 by 2. S is 11 by 2. Then 11 by 2 minus, what is your A side? A is 5 centimeter. Then second bracket is 11 by 2. What is your B value? B value is 5. And C value is 1. Then 11 by 2 minus 1. Then here take the LCM. Then 11 by 2. Here 11, 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. Here also 11 minus 2 5s are 10 divided by 2. Here 11 minus 2 divided by 2. And then subtract. Then under root of 11 by 2, that is 1 half, 1 half, and here 9 by 2. Then 11 into 1 is 11. 11 into 1 is 11. And 11 into 9 is 99. Means your answer is 99 divided by 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16 divided by 16. Then your next step is under root of 99 divided by this is means under root of 16 is 4. Then root 99 by 4. Then find the value of root 99. Then 99 here. Then here 9, 9, 9. Here 81. Then here add, that is 9 plus 9 is 18. Here 8. Here 1. And take here 2 zeros and here also point. Again you will multiply by 180 here. 188 multiplied by 8, that is 8 8 64, then 6 8 8 64, 64 plus 6 is 70, then 7 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 7 is 50. Again you will write here 189 multiplied by 9, then 9 9 81, then 8 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 8 is 80, then 8 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 8 is 70, means here 9, here 1701 and here 9, then again you will add here 9, then 9 9 18, then 1, then 9, then 1. Then here 10 minus 1 is 9, here 9, here 0, again you will take the two zeros, that is 9900. Then 1983 multiplied by 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24, then 2, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 2 is 28 29, then 2, 3 1s are 3, then 5. Here 1984 multiplied by 4, that is 4 4 16, then 1, 8 4s are 32, then 33, then 3, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 3 is 39, then 4 1s are 4, then 7. Again you will take here 1985 divided by 1985 multiplied by 5. Then here 5 5 25, then 2, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 2 is 42, then 4, 9 4s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 4 is 49, then 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are 5, then 5 plus 4 is 9, but 9925 is greater than 9900, then you will take here 4, means your value is 9.9, so your value is 9.94, then you will put here the value. Then 9.94 divided by 4, then divide. Then here 4 2s are 8, then 9 minus 8 is 1, then take here 9, 4 4s are 16, then here 3, here 4, then 4 8s are 32, then here 4 minus 2 is 2, then 0, 4 5s are 20, means your answer is 2.485, means you are nearly about 2.49 centimeter square. This is your area of first reason, means your area of first reason is 2.49 centimeter square. Then see the second reason. You will write here answer means equal to 2.49 centimeter square. Then your second, area of second region, area of second region. Area of second region means this type means this length is 6.5 centimeter and this breadth is 1 centimeter. Then this is rectangle because here opposite sides are equal. Then what is the area of rectangle? Then you will write the formula, area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Then equal to, what is your length? 6.5 into 1, that is 6.5 centimeter square. Means your area of second region is what? 6.5 centimeter square. Then write the answer. 6.5 centimeter square. Then your third region is this. This is called the trapezium. Means draw the diagram here. Here 1 centimeter, here 2 centimeter, then here also 1 centimeter, here also 1 centimeter, and this is your third region. This is your third region. Then here first we will name A, B, C, D, E, F. Means this AB is 1 centimeter, then EF is also 1 centimeter, because in this diagram AB and EF they are same. In this figure AB equal to EF equal to 1 centimeter, because they are opposite sides. Then again you will suppose here CE and FD. Then CE equal to FD, you will suppose here x centimeter. Then calculate what is the value of CE and FD. Then CEFD, they are in collinear position. Means you will write here CE plus EF plus FD equal to what? CD. What is CE? CE is x. What is EF? EF is 1 plus x. And what is this whole CD? Whole CD is 2 centimeter. Then x plus x is what? 2x plus 1 equal to 2. That is 2x equal to 2 minus 1. Then 2x equal to 1. And what is your x value? X value is 1/2. That is 0.5 centimeter. It is 0.5 centimeter. Means in this diagram, CE equal to FD equal to x equal to 0.5 centimeter. This is 0.5 and this is also 0.5. Then your trapezium formula is what? 1/2 in bracket sum of the two parallel sides multiplied by its altitude. Means first we will find its altitude. Then suppose in triangle BFD. Suppose in triangle BFD by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Then what is your Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse bracket square, that is BD square, equal to height bracket square, that is BF square, plus base bracket square, that is FD whole bracket square. Then put the values. Means here 1 square equal to BF whole bracket square plus 0.4 bracket square. Then 1 square is 1. This 1 square is 1 square. Means 1 square is 1, then this will be transferred in this side, that is minus 0.5 whole bracket square equal to BF whole bracket square. Here you will use a square minus b square formula. Here you will use a square minus b square. What is your a square minus b square formula? A plus b, a minus b. Means a value is what? 1, b value is what? 0.5. Then 1 plus 0.5, 1 minus 0.5 equal to BF whole bracket square. Then here 1 plus 0.5 is 1.5. Here 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 equal to what? BF whole bracket square. Then calculate. 15 divided by 10 multiplied by 5 divided by 10 equal to BF whole bracket square. Then 15 into 5 is BF whole bracket square equal to 75 divided by this 100. Then you will divide. Then you will get 25 3s are 25 4s are, that is 3 by 4. This is BF 4 bracket square. And what is BF value? BF value is root 3 by 2, because 4 is 2 square, then root 3 by 2. And this is your BF. This is your BF. Then next, then BF and AE, they are same. BF and AE, they are same because they are altitude. And see here. Then here altitude is what? Root 3 by 2. And sum of two parallel sides means one side is AB and second side is CD. Means then you will write here formula, that is area of trapezium A, B, D, F, C. Then what is its formula? 1/2 parallel of two sides, that is A, sum of parallel of two sides, that is AB plus CD, multiplied by its altitude, that is BF. Then put up the values, that is 1/2. What is AB value? AB value is 1 centimeter and CD is 2 centimeter. Means 1 plus 2 multiplied by BF. Then what is BF value? Root 3 by 2. Then calculate. This is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Then 3 root 3 by 4. Then what is your root 3 value is given? 1.732. Your root 3 value is 1.732. Then you will put here the value, that is 3 into 1.732 divided by this 4. Then equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, then 2, 3 1s are 3, then 2 is 5 divided by this 4. Then 5.196. Then divide. That is 4 1s are 4. Then here 1, here 1. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. That is 4 2s are 8. Then here 3. Then you will write here 9. 4 9s are 36. Then here 3. Then here 6. 4 9s are 36. Means your answer is 1.299 centimeter square. 1.299 centimeter square means nearly equal to, here 9 is present, then you will add here 1.3 centimeter square. Means your answer is area of trapezium equal to 1.3 centimeter square. And this is your third region answer. This is your third region answer. Then means you will write here area of third region equal to 1.3 centimeter square. Then area of fourth part. Area of fourth region. Area of fourth and fifth, they are equal because this side and this side, this side and this side, they are equal. Means equal to also area of fifth region. Means you will find your area of fifth region. Then area of fifth region equal to area of fifth region equal to, then first you will write its formula, that is 1/2 into base into altitude. Then see the fifth region and fourth region. Means in this region, which formula we can use? 1/2 base into altitude. Then 1/2. What is its base? Base is 6 multiplied by 1.5 centimeter. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 into 1.5. Then your answer is 4.5 centimeter square. Means your area of fourth region equal to area of fifth region equal to what? 4.5 centimeters. Correct? Then your question is what? Find the total area of the paper used. Find the total area. Total area means what? Area of first region plus area of second region plus area of third region plus area of fourth region and area of fifth region. Means you will put here the values and you will get the total area. The next step you will write total area of the paper used here, that is area of first region plus area of second region plus area of third region plus area of fourth region plus area of fifth region. Then put the values equal to. What is your first region? First region is 2.49 plus. What is your second region? Is 6.5 plus. What is your third region? 1.3. And what is your fourth region? 4.5. And fifth is also 4.5 centimeter square. Then you will add and then you will get the answer. Then take here 9. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 22. Then 2 is here. That is 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Means your answer is 19.29 centimeter square. Means your last answer is total area equal to 19.29 centimeter square. This is your last answer. Then at the rest you will see in the next lecture.